Owengamele ezempilo eGauteng ngumuntu wokuqala oqavile oseqoshelwe ihlazo lamathenda okuhlinzeka ngezimpahla zokuvikela igciwane icorona. uMasuku, umkakhe uLoyiso kanye nokhulumela ihhovisi likaMengameli uKhusela Diko banikwa ikhefu ngoba kwakusenziwa uphenyo. uMasuku wasolwa ngokubamba iqhaza ngenkathi ikhishwa ithenda eyayiqukethe isamba semali esizigidi eziyi129 zamarandi enikeza abangani bomndeni wakhe. uThandisizwe Diko ngumyeni wokhulumela uMengameli wezwe uKhusela Diko. uMakhura uthatha lesinqumo sokumkhomba indlela nje uMasuku. Umphenyi uPaul O'Sullivan udedele umbiko othi uMasuku akanacala.
We're satisfied that the MEC for Health in Gauteng, Dr. Masuku, was not only not involved in the procurement processes, but he had no knowledge as to what was going on in those procurement processes.
Abameli bakhe uMasuku baphikile ukuthi uMasuku nguyena unxuse ukuthi uPaul O'Sullivan ahlanganise umbiko.
We will be proceeding with a legal review on the findings that have been made already by the SIU as indicated by the Premier during his presentation.
Undunankulu waseGauteng uthi uthathe lesinqumo esisusela embikweni wophiko oluphenya amacala especially SIU na uchaze wathi uhlanganiswe ngokusemthethweni.